And the best part of the online class is we can do our classes in a best comfort zone. Online class make it easy, much easier to fit the things into according to our schedule. We can listen to the teachers anywhere we can. The best part of the online class is we don't have to wake up earlier to do our classes. We can save the data and note down the things in a well comfort manner. Apart from this, we can give some times to our families and as well as to our hobbies. Thank you. Start करें?
Yes, start.
The best part of online classes for me is I am in more comfortable learning environment and I have improved my technical skill a lot. And suppose if I am not if I am taking a time to grasp a concept, then I can take it and I can pause the video and see it later. Student I have ability to improve my hobbies and interests that I want to do because I get more time in online classes and I have more opportunities to interact with teachers and to ask any question anytime if I have any doubt in online classes. So yes, this is my experience that I want to share with you all in online classes. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I like most about the online classes that we can learn anytime, anywhere. When we want to study, we can. And our supportive teacher always support us anytime. There are recorded videos on YouTube and more. There are platforms where we can study anytime. If we want to study at night, we can go through it. Thank you.
Start.
Ma'am, online classes, the best part is that we can save our time very much and also without being faced the pandemic situation outside, we are able to cope with our classes and attend our classes from home only. So it is really benefited. Also, I have developed my technical skills so much in this online education and I can see videos later and can pause them also after I can see those things. So time is really saved in online classes. And yeah, these are all the things I want to say.
Start.
Ma'am, the best part of online classes is that all the information that you will need will be safely stored in database, and whenever I need that, I can see it. And what doubts I have, I can clear it from Google or any teachers from phone. And fast saving documents. That's what I want to say. Thank you.
मैम ऑनलाइन क्लास हमारे लिए बहुत एक इजी और कंफर्टेबल मोड ऑफ टीचिंग है और हम ऑनलाइन क्लास के थ्रू बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं. हमारा टेक्निकल स्किल्स बढ़ता है, हमको टाइम लेस कंज्यूम होता है और सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन बढ़ता है और फैमिली के साथ भी थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलता है. एंड जो स्कूल में जो चीज मतलब जो एज अ बैड थिंग्स होते थे जैसे कोई एक्सीडेंट या फिर किसी को चोट लग जाना, वो सब इसमें नहीं हो सकता है. एंड हाँ, हम एक सेफर एनवायरनमेंट में है अभी अपने अपने घर पे एंड हाइजीन का भी हम बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रख सकते हैं इस पेंडेमिक पे. थैंक यू.
Ma'am, the best part of online classes is environmental friendly. Due to online classes, there is a huge improvement in environment. Like when we go to offline classes, we use vehicles to go as a mode of transportation, which causes pollution and which is not environmental friendly. And also, it reduces the cost of fuel, like example, fuel transportation and also parking, maintenance and public transportation costs do not affect the online students. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we don't feel nervous while in online classes while we are answering a question because we don't have to be face to face with our teachers, and we can also take our classes while we are sick, like with a common cold or fever because we are at our home. And I personally do not have to run for catching a train every morning for going to the school.
मैम मैम हमारे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में हमें मतलब हम अपने मतलब हम अपने व्यूज को रिप्रेजेंट अच्छे से कर पाए और हमें कुछ फेयर नहीं था क्योंकि हम सब मतलब हम टीचर के सामने ही नहीं थे और इस वजह से हमें मतलब और अपने डाउट को सॉल्व करने के लिए बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिला हमें अपना मतलब एक्स्ट्रा टाइम भी मिला जिसकी वजह से हम अपने आप को और डेवलप कर पाए और मतलब नए बहुत सारी नई चीजें भी सीखी इसकी वजह से थैंक यू
Yes, the best part of online classes for teachers is so many study material I have used, all the e-contents which was available I can share with you, designed by different teachers. Now you all have attended so many classes taken by different teachers of same subjects. So whichever you were understanding, that you may refer to in future. Now I will simply count all the points which you have given. First thing is quality study material, number 1. Number 2 is all senses when we are using. That is, when you are seeing any cartoon and animation, you can remember it. Means it goes permanently in your memory. You will never forget it. When you see, visualize like any film you are watching, so you will permanently remember it. Then easy to understand with pictures, with visuals, it is very easy to understand. Best part is anywhere you can sit and study anytime. It may be at night, early morning, anytime, and anyone. Suppose any small kid wants to learn about Python, or any elder people wants to learn about Python, he can go to the online class and he can attend and learn about it. So there is no restriction that you can come in my class and you cannot come in my class. Next, we used to go to school. Many are coming by train from far distance, Mendipur, etc. So that time you have saved. You don't have to catch the train early morning. So that you have saved. Then accidents of students, I think this year no case was there. Then at home, it is health and hygiene was taken care by your parents. Good food you have taken to increase your immunity. So at home you were taking the food timely. Like normally while coming to school, sometimes you used to forget your water bottle or your tiffin box. That was not the case. Then next was when I was showing the copy. Suppose I am checking your exam copies here. If one student I am checking, then all the other students at least can see that how to write the answer, what all mistakes we can also make in future, and we can rectify ourselves. So it was very easy in class. If I check the copy and if I want to show you like this, you have to write it. So it was very difficult in class to in copy. I cannot explain you to all the 40 students. 1-2 students I can explain, not to all. Then the best part was that when KV's YouTube Live was there by many teachers, all over India, all the students were benefited. When Ravita madam used to take the class, we used to share the link. That time, all the students of all the schools, all over India, even outside also, they all were benefited by one teacher. That means thousands, millions, billions of students can be guided by one teacher. No infrastructure required, no building cost, no maintenance. Okay? So we were saving so much money. Otherwise, what happens for building, for land, for painting, for table chair, for infrastructure, we have to spend lakhs and lakhs of money. So that we have saved. Then as you all have just now counted, technical skills we have learned. I have also learned. I never took online classes. So first time I started with Zoom, and then I used Skype, then Big Blue Button, then I used Cisco WebEx, then I learned Meet, and now we are using G Suite. So I have learned so many. Then online exams. First time I used to think that sometimes the copies automatically how it is possible that automatically the copies gets checked. And because while checking, sometimes we were having lot of pain in our back. So very easily using Google Form, you all have given the exams. Even theoretical exam also you have given one line, one word answers, and automatically the copies were checked, and in seconds I can share with you all your marks. So that was the best part for me. Then family time, of course, at home when you are studying, you are getting attention, care by your parents. Even the teachers also can take care of their small kids. Mostly they are having small kids at home, so they can take care. As you have just, Tanya has counted, safe environment. So you are in safe zone, no problem, no tension. Otherwise, what happens when you go outside? Then sometimes you have a fear that, or some negative thoughts can come. So those things were not there. Then it was very easy to study, easy to learn. Only you have to switch on your mobile and you can hear, only by hearing also, only by seeing. So in our comfort zone, we can study. Schedule we can set ourselves. At night also, if I want to study, I can switch on the classes. And because all the recording were shared, then cost, yes, we have saved the travel cost. Yes, when we were sick, this is true, that suppose you are having simple cold and fever, then also we were attending the class, the teachers were taking the class. Otherwise, if you have to travel and go to school, then we were not, when we are sick, we are normally not going to school. Then extra time we got new skills. We learned so many skills. Many students were sharing, especially class 12th class during summer vacation. They have shared, they learned to make so many dishes. They were learning to make cakes, etc. So many song, dance. So all activities they have shared with me. And I think your class should also share some of the activities. So these are the points. Anything you want to add extra in this?
That parents can also see the way of quality teaching of our teacher.
Yes, correct.